Dear students, today we are going to discuss test marketing. This process is used by entrepreneurs to understand how their product will perform in the market and whether customers are ready to accept it. The purpose of test marketing is to identify the strengths and weaknesses of a product. Once it is successful, the product will be marketed. This is why test marketing is often referred to as the unveiling of a new product in the market. First, the concept of test marketing. It is a tool used by entrepreneurs to gain insight into the probable market success of a new product or service. Why do we conduct test marketing? The primary reasons are to understand how a new message or brand created by entrepreneurs reaches the audience and to know how people perceive the brand. It is a pretest campaign to gauge the likelihood of driving market action. We need to understand how people think about the product. If the product is successful, it will be marketed. If it fails, the entrepreneurs will redesign and renovate the product before re-entering the market. This is the concept followed in test marketing. There are different types of test marketing, varying for consumer goods and industrial goods. The main classifications are alpha test and beta test. Alpha testing is performed by the developers or manufacturers. They create a virtual environment to check whether customers will accept the product, and this is done within the organization. Beta testing involves sending the product to the market, distributing it to a few customers, and getting their feedback. This test is performed by customers. In some cases, we also have gamma testing, which follows alpha testing. Gamma testing checks whether the product is ready for mass marketing, for example, in trade fairs or large retail units. Let's consider some examples. In alpha testing, a spectrometer undergoes calibration to ensure it is working correctly. This process is similar to a quality assurance system. For beta testing, equipment is given to customers who provide feedback on its performance. Let us consider the case study of Bamboo India Limited. For instance, Bamboo India Limited tested their new bamboo toothbrush. In alpha testing, they verified if the toothbrush was 100% biodegradable, splinter-free, heat-treated, water-resistant, and durable within the organization. In beta testing, the same bamboo toothbrush was marketed in a digital space for 1 month to see if people would accept it and provide feedback. This feedback helps identify any defects, which can then be rectified before reintroducing the product to the market. This process is also known as simulated test marketing. Controlled test marketing, another form of beta testing, involves selling the product to a few known customers and directly asking for their opinions. This is different from simulated testing, where any customer can test the product. Once beta testing is successful, gamma testing is conducted. For example, Bamboo India marketed their toothbrush at a large trade fair in New Delhi to gather customer feedback. This direct response helps quickly determine acceptance, especially if celebrities endorse the product. These examples illustrate how gamma testing is done. If the product is successfully tested, it may be modified based on feedback. For instance, Bamboo India introduced other products based on their test marketing results. This demonstrates the importance of understanding test marketing, including alpha, beta, and gamma tests. If test marketing fails, entrepreneurs can go back to the drawing board. The B plan, shown in the image, indicates what to do if customers do not accept the product. Test marketing helps understand product usage and adoption. Once test marketing is successful, the product can be widely marketed. This is how Bamboo India successfully tested and marketed their toothbrush. It is a prime example of why entrepreneurs need to test their products. If the testing is successful, the product moves to the next stage of marketing. If it fails, the product is re-evaluated and improved. In summary, you need to understand what test marketing is, the meanings of alpha, beta, and gamma tests, and how these tests help an entrepreneur market a product on a large scale. Thank you, dear students.